Well, hi guys, I'm in my kitchen today. It's been quite a while since I've shared a recipe, but the other day I concocted this quick little lunch. No cooking involved, just chopping some vegetables, which you can see here. Nice apples, baby organic carrots, radishes, organic celery, lemon, olives. And this is the couscous I get. It's a vegetable couscous. This already has all the spices and everything in it. You don't have to bother with adding a lot of other stuff. It adds a nice little bit of nippiness to the dish. Well, I washed all the vegetables, peeled the celery because I don't like these stringy pieces in it. And basically this is what I have. I have one piece of celery, one carrot, one radish, a wedge of lemon, a little bit of that cheese I showed you, half zucchini, there's the olives, half an apple, and today I'm also going to add a little bit of this extra virgin olive oil. So there's everything chopped up, and now I'm just going to stir everything all together, mix it up nicely, squeeze in a bit of the lemon, add a little bit of olive oil. You don't have to do this. You can use mayonnaise or sour cream or just whatever you have on hand, whatever you like. Mix it all together again. And there you have it, guys. A really healthy, tasty lunch. It's really good just the way it is. But you can add anything to it, like you can add nuts or raisins or just your favorite vegetables. Just chop them up really fine. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you all have a great day. And if you make this dish, let me know how it turned out and what sort of ingredients you may have put in it to make it unique for your taste buds. That's it.